Whoa, you went full cat?
Use your words. What is wrong with you, dude?
Oh, Sassy Pants, you give me so much of the happiness. I know you do not like it when I leave the house. But I was buying my frozen meals for one when outside of the store I found a box of precious treasures. More kitty friends! Oh, you are the sassy one indeed. Do not worry, Sassy Pants. You will always be my #1 kitty. Come, kitties! Let us all play! Meow, meow, meow!
Come on. Come on, kitty Witty.
Brah, look what you've done. You took a cool lady alien and turned her into a gross cat lady. That's just wrong.
Sassy Pants? Mondays.
Tin time for the kitty babies! Oh, come get your num-num-nums! Kitties? Oh, Sassy Pants, you are being so fierce!
Look at him. He's turning Star into a cat lady.
And the only thing worse than a cat is a cat lady. We